let me talk to you about this leaf blower right here. It's not just a leaf blower, it is a leaf blower, plus I use it as a dryer. It comes with 2 batteries and its own little charging port. That's it. It's super simple, super easy to use. But the thing that I use this a lot for is with this off right here. It is small, compact, portable, and so it's gonna sit right in my RV, right in my storage bin, and I'm gonna be able to pull it out and use this all the time to clean off my mats, my stairs. And in this mode, when I have to wash my truck, I can use this to just blow dry the truck. Okay. I will say this about this particular blower. It does your leaves just fine. It dries out here in the humidity when we're camping. I can't tell you, like our seats, our chairs, everything gets wet. And so we come out in the morning, we just blow it down with this. It works like a champ. And I actually love the torque on here. You know you're getting a lot of power. It's pushing a lot of those RPMs out of here, and it's gonna get the job done. It's small and compact and has 2 batteries. So any leaf blower is going to eat up batteries, so it's nice to have 2 batteries in case your job's not done. You can switch this battery out with the new one and keep going.